Alright, let's make this look nice. To do that, we're going to, what is it? Under Modify, the Appearance, or A on the keyboard. And let me show you where I found this. So you'll get this dialog over here, and we choose a material. So I mean, you can choose paint or plastic or whatever you like really, but I'm going to choose wood just for the purposes of this example. And all we're going to do is, when you find the one that you like, drag it to a part and let go. So 3D cherry for the handle ends, and what else have we got here? 3D maple. If you see, if it's got this little down arrow, it means it has to download that material first. So click that. It shouldn't take long. There you go, it's finished. And you can drag that to the piece as well. So let's do that for all the parts. You can do all the same, you can do all different. It's entirely up to you. You can make it look as realistic as possible. Ooh, that's a weird colour. 3D ash will do for the handle. And simply close that. And that's how we add an appearance.